This conference will now be recorded.
Peace, love, and light. You already know who it is. Truth and Beliefs coming to you with another cryptocurrency market update on Friday, February the 25th, 2022. Let's see what's going on in this market. This is going to be a quick overview of just Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'll come back later in the evening and do another update on some other coins. So let's go ahead and hop on in real quick. So right now, Bitcoin is coming in at 39,547. On the daily, we need to get a close above the previous high, which is coming in at 40K. To be exact, 4151. And also, to even confirm that even more, we would need to close above the 20-day moving average, coming in at $41,231. Right now, as I mentioned, we're currently at 39,526, and this is all on a daily. You can see that we have weakening negative momentum on the MACD, and we also have the RSI increasing back up to the 45 level, which is the level to get out. But if we get rejected at this 20-day, or we don't make a higher high than the previous high, then price will go back down. And the first area I would look at would be the 37K on the downside, and then we can just keep playing many levels from there. So that's the level of support, the 37K, 249, resistance 41K. But really, we can just play the resistance at 40K for the 20-day moving average. So let's see how that plays out. And let's also look at it on a weekly.
Okay, he just told you? Yeah.
So on the weekly, we can see that this week on Monday, Bitcoin did wick. I wouldn't say even Monday. I'm not sure what day. Let's look. This was actually yesterday. We got a wick all the way down to 34K. 34. Let's get it exact. 34,324. And now, as I mentioned on the weekly, so before Sunday ends, we need to get above 41,457. If not, back down to at least, as I mentioned again, about 38K, 38,325. And if that can't hold, then I can see things going back down to the 100-day moving average on the weekly, which is $35,981. So as you can see on the MACD, we do have that weakening negative momentum. And let's also see on the 4-hour how things are looking. You can see that we had a quick recovery from yesterday. And now we're pushing up to get above that 236. The 20-day moving average is forming an uptrend, and we can see that price did find support on it, and it broke through the 50-day within the last hour. Now we need to break through that 100 what could happen is we can get rejected right here at the 100, push back down to maybe the 50-day, which is a previous level support right here, but that's a little bit higher than the 50-day. So right here, about right here, this level of support, and keep pushing up. So let's see what happens. And if we do get rejected, I mentioned we just push back down to about here 40K, then we can make many levels from there. But that's the first level I see is the 40K. Let's move on to Ethereum. Let's start off with the weekly. So Ethereum on the weekly, before the week closes out, I would like to see Ethereum at about $2,873. If not, we need to make a higher high to continue the uptrend. If we can't make a higher high than the previous high, price would just go lower. So right now, the resistance is the $2,909, which is corresponding almost with the 50-day moving average coming in at $2,931. So let's see what is going on the daily. On the daily, we can see that we need to make a higher high than the previous high coming from the 20th, and that was at about $2,768. 20-day moving average on the week on daily is $2,793, and that will be my goal for before Sunday. I would like to see Ethereum above that level. If not, we can easily get rejected by the 20-day moving average, and then price could come back down to the 236, which is corresponding right now with $2,447. And we can also see that we did have about how many days? 1, 2, 3, about 6 days, 7 days of support in January from the 22nd to the 28th. So that's what I see with Ethereum on the daily. So let's see what we can do. After breaking through the 20-day moving average, the next level of resistance will be the 382 coming in at $2,909. So we can see what happens from there. 4 hours, similar situation in Bitcoin. Found a support on the 20-day moving average. So I would expect to see a crossover, the 20-day moving average of all the other moving averages pushing up to that 382. Hope you find this helpful. As I mentioned again, I'll be back in the evening with another update. We'll go over some articles that I found interesting from the week, and I'll take some coin requests. Hope you all have a wonderful Friday and start to your strong end. I always say we don't do weekends over here. Let's get it. Crypto entrepreneurs, peace out.